Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.